Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I want to do some fluid art rainbow today. I did this yesterday. I don't like it. It didn't make cells like I wanted. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna do a different one. I also have some Barron X fluid art polish. This is from 2020 PPU. And then I've got several neons. I've got some from Bases Loaded Lacquer, one from Parrot Polish, a couple from Maniology. I was just grabbing the neons that I saw. I don't know that Bases Loaded Lacquer's, I don't know if she still has any of her neons still available. They were kind of limited edition. Parrot Polish has some I'm pretty sure are available. He keeps those pretty much year round. And Maniology's I think is still available. I don't have a Polish Parrot discount code. But if you join his Parrot Polish people, I can't remember, I'll put the link below. If you join his Facebook group, I think he has like a 15% off group all the time that you can use, or you can use the first time when you join the group. I do have a $3 off 25 when you buy from Bases Loaded Lacquer, that's Guyleen 325. And then I do have a 10% off Maniology, that's also Guyleen 325. And let's just throw some polishes down. I think I didn't like what I did, but I think I just want to put kind of swirls like this. Oh, totally messing up that. Contamination Nation. Wipe that off. Some of these polishes I haven't gotten out for a while, so I ran them through my shaker. I think this purple needs to be on the side of the pink. And I don't know if I need to, normally I would like add white in here. I don't know if I want the blue. Maybe, go ahead, whatever. Okay. And then this, you hear all the hummingbirds swimming past the window. This I'm going to put down through here. Also, really don't want to contaminate it. And I don't know if that's too much, not enough. I don't know. And then I don't really want to smush it. Maybe with a stamper. I'm just going to take a scraper and kind of run it through it. Oh, okay. That's forming some I don't know if I need to squish it too, though. I'm just going to go ahead and use a stamper and do one of those. See what we get. I kind of feel like I need more. Can you see that? Let's zoom into that. I mean, it's got a couple of really cool things on there, I think. got some cells, but not much. I just feel like using the silicone spray works better. I don't know. I mean, that's better than what I had. So without the white, for sure. And I like the little spread. So here's what I'm wondering about. I'm thinking about, let's move over here, maybe. Let that dry. And here's what else I was thinking. Maybe spreading out some of this first. I've got more coming, actually. I ordered some different kind from the PPU for June. And thank you guys so much for all your nice comments and get well soons. And I'm fine. I was just stopped up, still a little stopped up, but me and Tom are both fine. Lost my sense of taste and smell. That sucks. Okay, that sucks. But I'm good. I'm fine. We're both fine. Just waiting for him to get a negative so he can go back to work. Okay, so now maybe on top of it, a layer on the top and on the bottom. This is going to take hours to dry probably for me to be able to make decals out of it, but I wanted you to see the whole process, and I'm not going to fast forward or cut because, oh, I'm not coughing, huh? And I don't know what colors or what. Oh, that was a mistake. That's okay. Like, I don't know what order this should be in. That's good. And then I'm going to put more of this. I can see some of it coming through, but I don't know. I feel like that's wasting a lot of this polish, and I just contaminated that when I could just spray it with silicone spray. I'm gonna put a little, I just put a little on there, a little spritzy spritz, and see what we get. I'm making a mess. I don't know. I know I should fold it maybe, but I don't want to fold it because it's gonna mess up. Like, I'll do this a little more. I'm getting a few cells in there that look pretty cool. So I'm going to let that sit for a couple hours and dry, because this one I hate. Here, let me come back out here. I hate this one. This is the one I did last night. And okay, as I'm watching this, I think that first one I did isn't that bad. I don't know why I hated it so much. But I just did. And I know I'm gonna get comments below saying, oh, that one was cute. What was wrong with it? It wasn't that was anything wrong with it. It just wasn't what I wanted. And normally I use white. The white really helps make cells. And that just didn't. And I don't know why. I think it's this pearly fluid art polish. I don't know. Like I said, this is the first time I've used the polish instead of just spray, and spray works so well for me. I don't know. I mean, that one is definitely not a keeper. I just put some clear coat on that because I thought I wanted to use it, but I hate it, so it's gone. This one has some cool stuff on it. I think I could do that for sure. You get some stuff out of that on a couple nails. And this one, it is puckering up because it's so thick. All right, so I totally did my nails with one of the squares of that, and it did not record putting them on. It's too hard to cut these and apply them. It's really hard when you're trying to stay in the frame of the camera. It's just too hard. I have this handy dandy. I got this from Moyra. I don't know if they still have them. I don't know if you can still get these, but they fit my nail. My nails are just a little longer than a couple of these, so I essentially just put it on the pieces. Like, I found the piece I wanted, the way I wanted the pattern, and then I just took an X-Acto knife and scored it, peeled it up and cut it with a pair of scissors, and then I put some base coat on my nail, and while that was wet, I formed that to my nail and stuck it down, trimmed it up, you know, let it dry a little, did the rest of them, and then took acetone and a cleanup brush, and like I do with any decal, I just got my acetone on the brush and just kind of dabbed it along the outer edge so that that seals down. And these were kind of thick, and you can see this one's a little thicker than I would like. And I'll probably use that one on my right hand because I really love that piece. I think that piece turned out really well. My right hand and left hand actually are kind of matching today. Wow. All right, if you have any questions about the fluid art, just let me know. Okay, let me show you the can. This is what I use to do it every other time. This is the first time I've ever used it with the actual fluid art polish. I don't know. I think because it was like the pearly stuff that wanted to actually do something. I don't know. I just didn't really think that it did that great of a job. I think whenever I put a little bit of silicone spray and spritzed it, it did better. But generally, what I do is I put all my polishes on a mat like this, the bigger one I have, whatever. I put them on there, and then I kind of go through it with a scraper just a little bit, just blend it however I want to, and then spray it with the silicone spray, just a little squirt, just a little, and then fold it over. But I just did not want to fold that. I just didn't feel like it was what I was wanting. And you know, that's just subjective. That's just however you want to do it. I did have a little more luck when I squished it with the stamper. You know, I just kind of squished it. But when you fold it, it changes the whole like pattern you've got going. And I just didn't want to do it. Okay? I just want to try something different. But like I said, I do have some more of that coming. I don't remember what color it is. I really would like to find a clear one or maybe just white. I tried the Sinful Colors when they first came out, and I couldn't get it to do anything at all, especially just painting it on my nail. Nothing. So I know other people have had luck with that. So just look it up you're on the YouTubes. Just type in fluid nail art and see what comes up. I'm sure there's better instructional videos on how to do this than I just gave you. I mean, you don't even have to have the cells. Just doing a smushy with some different colors like this and using it to make decals really makes some pretty cool stuff. Just another idea for some different nail art for you. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Bye. Where were you born?
1965.
What's Jenny's number?
8675309.
Thank you. What's Jenny's number?
876.
Oh, your sister's going to be humiliated. No cheating. 8675309. Yes, thank you.